This commissioning report was finished before the technician came back to his van. It's 3 pages, 2 languages, and he never touched a keyboard. Watch. I've spent years around service technicians in my field, and the truth is, service reports like this, commissioning, are written Friday afternoon or maybe even a week after they've been on the case. And so many things get forgotten or written inconsistently or are just delayed. And that creates a lot of headache, both for a service technician afterwards, but also the information flow is broken. So the things engineering departments actually needs, what's failed, what's broke, what to follow up on, is actually inconsistent, late, or not coming at all. So here's the solution. Let's walk through it together. So we have a technician, Markus. He's German. He's going on the case industrial site and he's looking at the machine and he's identifying the machine. That's the first step. We want to know which machine it is about. So what he can do, he can use his phone, his smartphone, to take a picture of the number plate on the machine to actually take all the information about the machine. Where is it made? When is it from? The technical information, it goes there and it goes straight into the report. The next thing is the findings. One is actually the findings from the machine. Some things are failing, some things needs to be fixed. Finding number 1. So he uses his smartphone also to take an image and he is speaking in his native language about what the issue is. By prompting it like this, the information goes straight to the report. Maybe there's clarifying questions are being asked, and that is filling out the finding number 1. So, and that from the application goes straight to the report regarding finding number 1. So finding number 2, he also describes the finding, and it fills out the report. What's the finding? Probable cause, action taken, parts which needs to be fixed or has been fixed, and the status. Is it resolved? Is it open? Maybe it's just information, or maybe there's need to be a follow-up session afterwards as well. Finding number 3, the same principles. He's talking to it, describing this is a new finding. What is it about? Take an image. And what? This open case? Okay, we have to inform our department to create a follow-up session on this. Then he does a rating on different parameters. How did mechanical installation went? What about electrical? 1 star to 5 stars. Site utilities, safety devices, and process performance. He can rate it, and that creates this consistent overview and also analytics looking forward, creating this good statistical overview over the cases. And at the end, he can review the entire report that is done, going through it. If everything is good, he presses the release button and the report is created. 2 languages, several pages in a consistent way, delivered back to service technician department or to product development department. And the report is done at the machine, not at the kitchen table at the service technician's house. All right. So that's how it's done. I built this concept in days, not weeks, and you can do the same. If you would like to implement a system like this to your company, feel free to reach out to me. Or if you want to build this full workflow that is happening here and implement it into your company, well, feel free to join my community. I'll share the links below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.